Hey guys, it's Scott at RV Wholesalers. I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your stairs, the fold down style. There's a lot of different versions of these. This is the more ride version. Very basic. So we're going to pull the pin, pull down your stairs. Once you get them to the ground, they do have a couple little levers on the back. So if you're too high, too low, just simply push in the lever, slide the stair where you need it. Do the same thing on the other side. You'll hear it kind of lock into place. Make sure that everything's touching the ground. The big thing that you want to do is also you want to make sure that your door closes. The big thing that you'll find out when you get these is sometimes it looks nice on the outside, but this is too high. So you got to kind of tweak it a little bit here and there to get it where you need it, but as simple as that. The other versions of these have pins, but same kind of concept. And that's how you adjust your stairs. Like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.